Hey everybody, it's Carter here. Hope you're having a great day. And I've got something really cool today. And this is actually a direct result of asking some developers to solve a problem that I knew some of you out there were having. And that problem is that you wanted codes that were less expensive, really easy to reskin, and that still made money. I think for some people, if you're just starting out, it can be a little daunting to spend a bunch of money and have a lot of moving parts. Even if the money's going to come back, it can be harder to get into that. And at the same time, people who have got a bunch of projects running, sometimes it's easy. They want to have an easier project that they can outsource easily and get it going and just get more cash in the door. So I reached out to a few developers and I asked if anyone had anything like this. And Austin came back, and Austin's been making a lot of really good codes. And he had one to back this up. I mean, it makes good money. It's super easy to reskin. And it's really cheap. I mean, relatively speaking, this is a really, really good priced code. So what I want to do is I'm just going to walk through this with you just so you can see both how easy it is to reskin, but also how it's making a bunch of money. So that if you're interested, you can purchase it too. So it's this one here called Jokes. It's got a nice little icon. I like that a lot. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it open. I'm obviously on my iPhone. And so you can see when it pops up that there's, this is RevMob. And I'm not actually sure which which ad network this is, but it is what it is. And I'm going to close it right there. And so you can see that this is literally just a set of jokes that it's got both the question and the punchline. So this is about like learning jokes, right? And more importantly, that's just like a text box. So it doesn't even have to be jokes. It can be like flashcards or anything. And I'm going to click this little button right below those locks there. And when I click that, that's when it goes to the next. That's an awesome joke, by the way. It goes to the next joke, and you can cycle through them all. And so the way it works is that you get a certain amount of jokes up front for free, and then if you want more, you can unlock them. And you can see like underneath those locks, it says one-liners, knock knock, and tough guy. So that's great. At the top there, you can see the banners, and if you click that red X, that's going to be a remove ads button, which is great. And I'm just going to go through the bottom buttons here now. So on the left is the info button, and this is the same as Mustache Bash. I think Viva Stampede as well, but it just got a little bit of all the functionality you'd want. It's already baked in there so that users have a really good way to get back to you, to write reviews, whatever it may be. And that's all easy to customize, and it's just straightforward right there. You come back to the main screen, and the bottom, we go to the second button, and this is the store. So those locks on the front, these are all in-app purchases. So if people want to unlock more content or do whatever you want, this is where they can. So this is all baked in as well. So you have options of unlocking up to 3 pieces of more content, and also do the remove ads, which is awesome because you can really upsell people on that. The third button is more, and that's just a straight more games button. So this is Playhaven, and it's got the double layer more games, which performs the best. And then on the right there is a share button. There's an email and there's a Twitter button. That's all that's baked in, and that's all in the documentation that shows you easily how to update whatever info you want in there. And then when you click on any of these locks, for example, I just clicked on the knock knock, what's going to happen is it's going to prompt you if you want to buy the in-app purchase. So I'm just going to click cancel, but you can get really creative with that. And what's awesome about this app, there's a few things. First of all, it's super easy to reskin, and we actually walk through how to do it in the blog post and in the documentation. It's really clear, but most importantly is that it's just like, it's a handful of images. Like, it's not hard at all. And then you can get new content, and you can outsource that to get that content. Just go get a bunch of, it doesn't even have to be jokes. I mean, this can be like fun facts about presidents, or this could be like things you need to know about San Francisco when you're visiting, or anything. I mean, it can be literally anything that you can think of that you could put on flashcards, you can put here, and then create more content. Math problems, like vocab, anything. And all you got to do is put it into a little spreadsheet and then replace the spreadsheet in the app, and it'll automatically parse all that information right into here, which is unbelievable. Like, it's so simple to do, especially when you can outsource people to get the content. So all you have to do is literally give someone a topic. They come back with 300 pieces of lines of code, and that's it. Like, you're good to go. I mean, that's the end of the day for you. Oops, sorry about that. And so it's awesome. I mean, I really like this code. It's super cheap. It's super easy to reskin, and I think I think it really works. I think it could solve a lot of problems for you guys if you're just looking to get in really, really easily. I mean, this is a home run in my opinion. So there's not much more to show you. I think you should read the blog post and get more of the information out there. And then if you have any questions, definitely we'll respond to them. And good luck to everyone. I hope to see you on the other side, and I hope to see a lot of these apps out in the store soon. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.